Want that new iPhone or MacBook, but your cryptos burning a hole in your digital wallet? Today, I'm showing you exactly where and how to buy electronics and services with your crypto, including some hidden gems most people don't know about. This is the third of 6 videos in our series. I'm Crypto Eva for MemeFi. Let's start with electronic shopping in the US. Newegg is the king here. They accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and SHIB. Pro tip, their Crypto Wednesday deals offer extra 10% off when paying in crypto. I just got my RTX 4080 for $200 less than retail. And if you time it right with their seasonal sales, you can stack discounts up to 35%. For Europeans, here's your golden trio. MediaMarkt, Germany, full crypto integration, weekly crypto deals. Saturn, taking Bitcoin and Ethereum directly, special crypto cashback program. Conrad Electronic even accepts stablecoins plus 5% crypto loyalty rewards. Plus, no VAT fees when using crypto. That's 20% instant savings. But wait, there's a catch with electronics. Always verify warranty coverage when paying with crypto. Some manufacturers still don't recognize crypto receipts for warranty claims. I learned this the hard way with my last laptop purchase. Now for online services, this is where it gets juicy. Freelance platforms accepting crypto. Fiverr via BTC Pay, 8% discount on crypto payments. Upwork through crypto payment integration, instant payments. Freelancer.com, direct crypto payments, lower fees. Guru, full crypto support, escrow service. My personal hack, pay freelancers in stable coins to avoid price volatility. Streaming and entertainment. Netflix, through crypto gift cards up to 15% off. Spotify, direct crypto payments in select regions. Amazon via Purse.io, get 15% discount. YouTube Premium, crypto gift cards, 10% savings. Secret tip, buy annual subscriptions during crypto dips for maximum savings. Educational platforms, Udemy, crypto payments via BitPay, frequent crypto sales. Coursera accepting Bitcoin special crypto pricing. EDX, crypto integration coming. Skillshare, crypto payments beta testing. In our next video, we'll explore how to book your entire vacation using nothing but crypto. From flights to hotels to local experiences. Hit subscribe and tap the notification bell to catch our next episode. Tell us in the comments, what's the best deal you've got paying with crypto?